Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial.
A major immigration raid in April led to the arrest of 8 dairy workers in Vermont, sparking fear across the Northeast agricultural sector. 4 were quickly deported, while others faced detention. Advocates argue that such enforcement tactics create instability for immigrant laborers essential to the dairy industry. Vermont, which produces most of New England's milk, relies heavily on migrant workers, with over 90% of farms employing them. Workers emphasize the toll immigration enforcement takes on families and the industry. Despite policy contradictions from Washington, immigrant labor remains vital to maintaining dairy operations in Vermont and beyond. A heartbreaking news. 3 adults were killed and 10 others injured, including 2 juveniles, in a shooting early Monday in South Philadelphia's Grays Ferry neighborhood. The incident occurred just before 1 a.m. on a residential street, according to Police Commissioner Kevin Bethel. Authorities recovered numerous shell casings at the scene and took 1 person with a weapon into custody. The motive for the shooting remains unclear. Bethel noted that police had responded to the same block a day earlier and made arrests. The violence followed several other shootings in Philadelphia and across the U.S. during the 4th of July weekend. The investigation is ongoing. In evolving news, a suspect was shot and killed following an active shooter incident outside a U.S. Border Patrol annex near the airport in McAllen, Texas, on July 7, 2025. According to a Department of Homeland Security official, the shooter was neutralized by Border Patrol agents and local police. A photo of the facility's entrance shows shattered glass where bullets struck the door. The building is located at 2301 South Main Street, near McAllen International Airport. 1 McAllen police officer was injured in the leg, reportedly by friendly fire during the response. City officials confirmed that all flights at the nearby airport were delayed as a precaution. In other developments, a comprehensive study in JAMA finds U.S. children's health has worsened over 17 years, with rising obesity, chronic conditions, and mental health issues. U.S. children are nearly twice as likely to die as their peers in other wealthy nations, with higher rates of infant deaths, gun violence, and car crashes. Experts blame systemic issues and warn that current policies, including cuts to Medicaid and public health programs, may worsen the trend. While the Make America Healthy Again initiative raises awareness, critics argue it overlooks key factors like ecological and community-level health influences. The study underscores the need for broader, localized efforts to address children's declining health. From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.